Here, my name's Alex Carlucci with GusandChoto.com. Good to talk to you about what goes on with the mortgage process. So, first thing you do is you call up your mortgage broker and they qualify you. Qualifying is just how much money you make, what are your debts, what do you think your credit score is. Oh, you're good to go. I pre-qualified you. Now, if you're really interested, let's do a pre-approval. Let me run your credit. Let me see if your credit score is what you say. Let's see if your debts are what you say. Let me see your pay stubs. Let me see your bank statements with how much money you got in there. Let's see your W-2s. Let's make sure all these numbers work. If I've seen everything and I've run you through an automated system, or if I manual underwrite, like looked at the guidelines and you fit the manual underwrite, then I write you a pre-approval letter. Now that doesn't mean you're approved. An underwriter approves you. I just pre-approve you. What I do is I'll take a couple more docs just to finish up, tighten up the package, put it to an underwriter after you buy a house, and it goes through a loan processor. The loan processor starts working on that file. They start ordering title and insurance and anything, verification of employments. They get everything neatly together. They call me and say, hey, I can't read the pay stub, it's blurry. We just clean it up. So the loan processor is really important in getting all that paperwork I throw at her or him and put it in a nice tidy little package for an underwriter to look at. So I throw all the pages of the book together and they stack the book in the right order and then they give it to the underwriter. So the underwriter gets it. It's all nice and neat, and the underwriter doesn't struggle to figure out the puzzle that I've created for them. So now when the underwriter looks at it, they're going to underwrite it. They're going to say, okay, I believe all this. This looks good. I'm going to need this, this, and this. So the underwriter is going to now email the processor saying it's approved, but I need to see some more things to make sure. I might have some doubts on this. I might have some doubts on that. Let's just make sure the insurance has enough coverage. Make sure there's no liens on the title, verify the employment, because it does look like there's a discrepancy in the pay stub to the verification, blah, blah, blah. So that's what the processor does. Once in a while, the processor will reach out to me and say, we got a problem, can you solve it? And I have to call the client, and I have to help the processor solve a problem with the client. So we work together in this puzzle and trying to solve it. And the underwriter's just trying to make sure this thing's buttoned up perfect, and me and the processor are the liaisons to you in between the underwriter to make sure the underwriter likes your file. Once the underwriter sees everything that they're happy with, they issue a CTC and clear to close, and then we go to a closing table. And that's what your loan processor and underwriter and loan officer do all together to get you guys closed. So if you get any questions about that loan process, give me a call, 630-915-7550. Thanks.